We all recall I posted a video basically seeking help as regards whether or not smoke that was coming from my tailpipe was actually smoke or condensation. I've concluded that it's condensation. Now to the oil can. Sorry, oil catch can. So as promised, I had promised that I would put on an oil catch can, and I went ahead and I did just that. I pretty much got an OEM PCV valve, replaced the original OEM with another OEM. That didn't solve my oil burning. I decided to go oil catch can, which I didn't expect to solve all my oil burning issue, especially if it's an O-ring situation that's inside the engine, etc. But nonetheless, I just wanted to share how I went about installing my oil catch can on this 2007 Honda Accord. Pretty much this was the original pipe that came directly from the PCV valve. I basically found this slot here on the intake manifold. There was this little bolt with a little black thing on it, and I pretty much just removed it. Yeah, so this little black thing was originally installed here, and there was nothing on it, just hanging there. I pretty much took it off and got these two clamps. They're 2-inch clamps. They're 2-inch clamps. I got two of them at Canadian Tire. They have two holes, but I use the lower hole. I hope the sun. Oh, let me get a better shot at that. Yeah, so pretty much it has two holes. I use the lower hole to put that in, and basically just connected the other one to the end, the inside hole in this one to the end of that one that I put there, as you can see, and basically bolted one onto the back of the oil catch can. Pretty much I also went ahead and got me some 3/8 piping, which fit perfectly over my PCV valve, and basically I routed it around my power steering line there, as you can see. Sorry, my AC condenser line, my AC line, right on top of my radiator, and that line basically went into the in section of the oil catch can, and then the original line that was originally ran across here and down, I basically put on the out, and pretty much that was what I did. Now to show you what the oil catch can contains, I'll just remove it. Yeah, and so pretty much, yeah, that was a bit difficult eventually getting it off though, and you'll see what the oil catch can contains. And I've done just about 250 kilometers since I put this on, and it does have quite a bit of smudge in it. It's freezing cold outside, as you can see, literal snow. So, but initially when I did this at about 100, I saw something looking like cooking oil. It was pretty yellow and fluid, but now it's all looking like, I don't know, gunk. It's all hardened somewhat, but I guess it's due to the low temperatures, but that's what it looks like. And just to point out quickly, getting the 3/8 pipe onto this end was a bit difficult, putting it onto this supplied valve here, but what I did was to use a little WD-40 and spray it onto the end and pretty much force it on, and it went on quite nice, and I still put a clamp on it. Alright, the only other concern that I have was your hood stick that goes across here. Just be careful that it doesn't touch this, because it will cause a little bit of a rattling, and I did have that experience, and I had to lower it somewhat to reduce that. So in a nutshell, that's my oil catch can on my 2007 Honda Accord. Thank you. Oh, and by the way, I've seen a slight reduction in the oil burning. Problem not solved, but it's not as bad as before. I'll keep you posted. Bye.